Welcome to QuizTopia. Today's challenge. You will have to guess the country by its famous landmark. Before starting, please subscribe to the QuizTopia channel for more fun and exciting brain quizzes. Let's go! Answer C, Egypt. Answer A, Russia. Answer B, Spain. Answer D, Nepal, China. Answer C, Italy. Answer D, United States. Answer B, France. Answer A, Italy. Answer A, England. Answer C, United States. Congratulations! You got through the first 10 questions. If you got all 10 right, give yourself a whopping 100 points. I knew you would make it this far. Keep going and test your knowledge on 50 of most famous landmarks. If you are enjoying this quiz, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new quizzes. Get your brain ready and let's go! Answer C, Japan. Answer D, Australia. Answer B, England. Answer A, Italy. Answer B, France. Answer C, UK. Answer D, Denmark. Answer A, United States. Answer C, China. Answer D, United States. Answer C, Germany. Answer C, France. Answer D, Italy. Answer A, London. Answer B, United States. Amazing! You made it halfway around the world. If you got all 25 right, give yourself a 250 points. You got this, champ. Keep going and test your knowledge on 50 of most famous landmarks. If you are enjoying this quiz, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new quizzes. Get your brain ready and let's go. Answer D, US. Answer B, Egypt. Answer C, Tanzania. Answer D, China. Answer B, United States. Answer A, Italy. Answer D, United States. Answer B, Australia. Answer B, UAE. Answer A, Greece. Answer C, USA. Answer C, France. Answer D, Italy. Answer D, Canada, US. Answer A, Germany. Answer C, Switzerland. Answer A, Belgium. Answer B, Peru. Answer D, France. Answer A, United Kingdom. Answer C, UK. Answer B, Italy. Answer B, Mexico. Answer A, Brazil. Answer B, Cambodia. Winner. If you got all 50 questions correct, you just earned yourself a special prize. Many have tried and failed, yet you have prevailed and have joined the ranks of the elite QuizTopia champions. If you're looking for more brain testing time killers, head over to our playlist right here and test your brain today.